So you want to know more about the West Cretan side and what you can actually do here? Well, then you have come to the right place. Because today there is things that I want to discuss, what you can write up if you're going for example, a road trip here on the west side of Crete. So around the Hania area specifically. So let's dive into the first places to go through and see what you can do. So first up, you need to go up to the panoramic view that is located here close to Hania, but it's actually by a place called Venizelos Graves. It's a really cool viewpoint and you can see the whole Hania from up here. So that is definitely something that you need to show your friends and family while they're visiting here, for example, with you. Alright, so it's really beautiful and you can walk around the whole area, no problem at all. And you can visit like some of the old graves there. There is a church that you can walk up to, and this place is absolutely beautiful. So just walk around there, pet some of the cats that is around the area, because obviously Crete we have loads of cats, so that is something that you can do as well. There is some like fruit trees growing there, it's really beautiful, and there is a statue, and you can read a lot about the history around the area as well when you are here, so that is super cool. So don't miss out on this opportunity to go to this place, because I know many companies, they're like trying to get you here and with buses and everything, but I do recommend you can go here by yourself as well. So it's easy to park somewhere, just go here, beautiful. And if you want to know more about like Crete or other holiday destinations, so specifically Crete, I do have more videos, so just check up on the video here that I will link, and then you can check on that, like if you want to know more about Crete while you're visiting, or actually before you're visiting. Then after that, you're turning back a little bit, and then you're going to the like memorial of the Allied War. So it's a cemetery which is absolutely very beautiful, very close to Soda Bay port. So it's a cemetery from the war. So I didn't have any footage from this place because I wanted to show my respects. So it's just something that you can do by yourself. You can park up outside, and it's so beautiful to just look around. You can read the pages, you can read some history, and just walk around the cemetery. It's absolutely beautiful and something that was very touching to walk around here when I was here myself. It has been made in a very good way, yeah, I must say. And if you want to, so now we're basically like going this way like this, so you can turn it around if you want to go with the cemetery after the place that I'm actually going to talk about now. You can do that as well if you don't want to zigzag your way through, but I just feel that it's very beautiful to go this way. Maybe you can even take Soda Bay first. You do it how you want, but all these places are really cool to visit. So now you make yourself to the top of the map, and here you visit Stavros. And in Stavros there is something called Stavros Natural Pools. This is a really cool place. So it was basically like stones that looks like squared out, and it's called the natural pools because there's like a pool. It looks like a pool. You can swim there, I guess. I didn't take a swim myself, but you can definitely take a swim there. There is otherwise a beach very close by that you can go to instead, but just walking around and just exploring the pools, it's really cool. And we actually saw someone like doing stand-up paddling around the pools itself. So it's definitely a place that you should visit as well on your little road trip, because it will give you a very cool perspective of the nature that is around here. If anyone knows how it was created, that would really much appreciated down in the comments, because it is natural pools, it said, but it doesn't like look natural because it's like perfectly square, like, or cut off, and I don't understand. It's just really cool. So I guess it was man-made ones, but it's like natural pools because they get filled up naturally. That's what I would say is the reason why. But yeah, We all have our theories. Drop your theories down in the comments below and we'll see what it actually is. To the last place, it's a place that you're probably familiar with if you have watched some of my videos before. It's actually to make your way to the Hagia Triada. So this is like the Holy Trinity of Tsaragolos, if I didn't make that word up again. It's really beautiful. You need to go here. That's why I'm telling you in several videos that this is a place that you really need to visit, because it's absolutely amazing. While you're visiting here, you can actually go into their museum, and the museum itself is also really cool, and you can just walk around there. So I will not have any footage of the museum itself. I'm just gonna show you how this place actually looks from the outside, and just by the footage that you can see, it's like super beautiful. And it's an active still monastery, so just be aware of the monks that is there, so you don't be disrespectful and things like that. So it's something that you can explore fully by yourself on this area, which is a very cool like experience. And there is like this very like hidden room that you can go into where you're gonna find yourself a very special experience, I can tell you that. So I'm not gonna spoil anything. It's just that if you find a room, you know it. You know what room I'm talking about. That's the thing. So if you have been here before, or when you have seen this video and you are visiting there, tell me in the comments, because it would be super cool if you actually told me. So yeah, that is basically the last place I wanted to speak about today. But don't leave yet. I just want to recommend you to actually check down below for trips and cheap like flights and holidays down below in the description, because I have with Cheap Air, they make like full holiday packages for you so you can go abroad. Super amazing. And while you actually are abroad, then you want to stay somewhere. So with that, I do have TripAdvisor as well. You can book your hotels through there. You can find trips that is like guided, and you can also find car hires sometimes. So everything you need, you can basically find on TripAdvisor, and you can book everything through there as well. So thank you very much for watching the video. And if you want to see more of my content about Crete or anywhere else, like I do much Cyprus video, check the video just up here and I will take you to the next video. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you very much.